Palakpak naman tayo, Jay! Yeah, Good Vibes Group at Twitter, Good Vibes OFCL po sa Facebook, and Emil Custodio.
Excuse me.
Hi guys, like us on Facebook with www.facebook.com, Good Vibes Official, and the Twitter, twitter.com/Good